Welcome home. Ah!
It's so pretty. Hi, we're Allie and Jacob, and we're here with Disney Style. I'm originally from Virginia.
I'm originally from Massachusetts. I came to LA to find love, and just not that show.
We are having a home makeover today, and we're newlyweds, so it's really great to have a home. We had kind of a fairy tale theme for our wedding. We had the wedding in a big ballroom. I had the big princess gown. We came up in a horse and carriage.
Growing up, I just loved movies and stories. I think fairy tales represent human stories, and they represent hope.
I love Beauty and the Beast. I really like Belle because she's fearless and super brave. She's also very compassionate. We're super excited to have the little elements of Beauty and the Beast inside our home.
My name is Whitney Leigh Morris, and I'm an interior designer. My specialty is really small spaces or tricky spaces. I'm particularly excited about this project because personally, I'm really drawn to Beauty and the Beast. I've always loved it. I remember when I was little watching it, seeing that kind of multi-plane animation. It was just extraordinary, and it's still extraordinary today. So it'll be so much fun to tackle an everyday transformation and give it something extra by adding the Disney element to it.
All right, Whitney, so here's our home.
This is beautiful.
It's beautiful, and we love the layout and everything, but it would be nice to feel like it's our space.
We'll focus on making this feel more like your home, but I'd love to know how you guys met so that I know how to do that.
We met 7 years ago. I looked for an ad online for a roommate, and Jacob had put up an ad. I sent him an email, and then I met with him the next day.
I was standing on our balcony, and Allie was coming up. I had my white coffee mug in my hand. I think I was wearing a cardigan. I don't know why I looked like a dad at that point, but...
And then we actually got married about 7 months ago. I really like fairy tales, so kind of pulled those elements into our wedding.
And you love Beauty and the Beast,
I do.
right? How do you want to see that translated into the design of your home?
I know Beauty and the Beast is set in France, and I absolutely love France. I studied abroad there. And if there was any way we could incorporate little French elements into the space, I think that would be really pretty.
Absolutely. So I think that the first and main thing we need to do is get rid of this couch. I'm sorry, but like maybe something a little bit brighter, and really use the height of this beautiful wall, you know, let's add some layers, and then let's make sure that we're not neglecting this absolutely gorgeous fireplace that's kind of lost in the corner like an afterthought. And then for the office, let's do a room divider that's also a library. So if you guys are ready to get started, let's just go out to the garden. We'll look through some samples and get this going. I just kind of wanted to get your feedback. I have some of my favorites in this gray scheme, but I'm wondering what you think.
I see the dark side, and I don't want to go toward it.
Sure,
Side to side.
And then the other thing I think we can do to brighten it up is to paint the fireplace. I really think it's going to be a beautiful modern update to this space.
Yeah, that's...
reaction. You know, you want the house to feel cozy but not cluttered. This is the perfect way to achieve that.
I don't know. I don't know if I'll...
It's a big change.
Yeah.
So here's the thing, guys. I'm not gonna do this on my own. I really want you to get involved. You ready to roll up your sleeves and do some painting?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine, let's do it.
This makeover is particularly interesting because what we're doing is we're using modern design trends, but bringing in the Beauty and the Beast element in these subtle touches.
That looks so beautiful.
Yeah, absolutely. You can still see all the texture. And
Yeah.
So in bringing elements of Beauty and the Beast to this space, we're going to focus on the fashion-forward elements of the movie. There's this rich, natural wood, and then these gold textures. Right now, those are very popular trends, and they're popular for a reason. They're timeless. So you two, are you ready to see it?
Yes.
We're very ready, yes.
Okay.
Welcome home. Ah! It's so pretty.
Wow.
It doesn't even feel like our house at all. We feel like we're in someone else's really pretty house.
Yeah. This is like a magazine, and the pictures you chose, those are really nice.
It was such a wonderful surprise to see our wedding photos up like that, because we've never seen them displayed anywhere before, really.
So you can see there's little touches of Beauty and the Beast here and there.
Yeah.
It's so pretty.
We even have little touches in the throw pillows. I mean, does that not look like the feather duster?
It
Yeah,
does.
exactly.
You had a custom DIY footstool from Beauty and the Beast, okay?
It was created for us.
Yeah, it was created for this, for your little fireplace
Wow.
nook. And this piece was custom made for you as well. And what I love about this piece is hopefully it will remind you of your wedding day. You know, you wanted it to be a fairy tale.
Thank you so much.
Is it comfortable?
It's super comfortable. So Jacob, what do you think about the fireplace?
I'm totally sold on the white now.
Really?
You can still see the texture there. You know it's a brick fireplace. It's
Absolutely.
not just this white wall. Plus you have this mantle here that breaks up the white.
Let's take a look at your office. What do you think?
Oh my gosh.
It's so cute.
I mean, it's all of the things that you had in here before and more personality and more tying in the French inspiration, you know, this kind of ticking fabric upholstery on this chair.
I love the hanging plant.
A little stained glass sun catcher, you know, the opening scene with the stained glass window.
I see Mrs. Potts and Chip, right?
Yeah.
Is that Chip there? There's no Chip out of him. But...
We didn't break your cup.
And the bookshelf looks so pretty from this side too.
We tried to outfit it so that it's beautiful on both sides. You still have access to things like spare candles, an extra pen, of course all of your books. We tried to make it just really functional for both sides.
That's genius.
So, I'm actually really happy with how the final design came together. The individual pieces had so much personality, and when they were all tied next to one another, it just really brought the space to life. The house now truly feels like a home because of this Beauty and the Beast transformation.
It's going to be really nice feeling like we're coming home after Disney Style and Whitney leaves. It's a place we'll enjoy for years to come.